I just can't resist to like a video.
So are you in college? Awesome, man. That's the way to do it. So how many years or hours do you have left for that?
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Hello, sir. Can I ask you something, sir? Do you need prayer for anything today?
What?
Prayer.
No, one of my guys gave me prayer.
He gave you prayer today? Well, God bless you anyway, man. All right. You too, man. Take care. There's like fish in here, right? I've been here once. Someone got proposed to. You know Jared and what's her name? What's the girl's name?
I only know Jared.
Yeah, he proposed to her right there.
It's good for pictures too.
So pretty. There are fish in this water too.